Protecting young citrus trees from harmful pests is especially important in a tree's first few years of growing. The goal of the individual protective cover, also known as an IPC, is to prevent pests accessing new leaf growth. This stage of leaf growth is the most attractive to the Asian citrus psyllid, the insect that spreads citrus greening. Prior to installation, gather your IPC, an appropriate height and thickness PVC pipe and cap, a rubber mallet, an 18-inch zip tie, and an 18-inch gear tie. In this example, we are using a 6-foot IPC with a 7-foot PVC pole that is a 3/4 inch in diameter. To reduce the likelihood of damaging the installed pole, start by placing the cap on the PVC pole. Next, place the PVC pole 2 finger widths from the trunk of the tree. Using a rubber mallet, gently tap the pole into the ground until 10 to 12 inches are under the soil line. Next, you will need to install the cover. You may find that a second person makes this process smoother to prevent damage to your tree. Gently cover your tree with the IPC. Once the IPC is settled on your tree, use the zip tie to secure the IPC to the PVC pole. Secure the zip tie under the PVC cap. This will help secure the IPC. Next, use the reusable gear tie to secure the bottom of the IPC. To prevent wind damage, the gear tie should be snug. The reusable gear tie allows you to easily access the tree to check for pest damage. You will want to continue to check trees under IPCs for the presence of pests, including mites, caterpillars, mealybugs, and greasy spot. It is best to inspect every month for pests. Maintaining healthy citrus trees in Florida is challenging, and we invite you to watch our other videos and use the web resources for additional information.